I made a mistake. You made a mistake. Guess what? We all make mistakes. We are humans, after all. In this episode, let's talk about 3 steps how you can learn from mistakes and use it as a benefit for your personal growth. Let's go, let's dive in.
It's Jazz. First day of the year, 1991. Yeah.
Hey, what's up? This is Jesse Francisco, and you're tuning in to Jesse Francisco's Higher Level Show, where we learn about personal and spiritual growth, whether it is for your personal life or your business. We are learning about these things so you can achieve your big goals. They say fail often. Why do they say this? Because when we fail often, we learn as much as possible, right? So the more you fail, the more that you make mistakes, the more you learn from it, if you learn from it. And that's why it is crucial when you make mistakes, you learn from these mistakes. We can't just running around and make mistakes and not. We are after personal growth, right? Personal development. So what do? We make mistakes. Making mistakes is inevitable. It's crucial in our personal development. And when you make mistakes, when you learn the lesson from these mistakes, and that is why that's let me just take care of my mic here. That is when you gain true wisdom, because you don't only have the knowledge of the lesson, right, that you learn from it, but you understand the knowledge behind it because you lived through it. You lived it, you understood, you gained awareness from it. Let's just break it down so we can have an easy understanding of all this with these 3 steps. The first step is reflect and awareness. I just mentioned it quickly. If you take time and really reflect on the mistake that you made, just create the space for your self-awareness and be honest to yourself. How did this mistake happen? What was my intention? What choices led to me making this mistake? How did I feel during this mistake or during the process? Then we go even further when we consider the impact of our actions on others. Because we don't only live with ourselves, right? In order to learn a lesson, we have to gain an insight, right? So what was the insight, maybe even into your behavior and underlying motivations that led you to do this step and the mistake? And the second step is called lessons and patterns. We have to identify specific lessons that can be drawn from each mistake. And for me, it is crucial to understand, why did I do this? And really ask yourself, what did you learn about yourself, your values? And I have to really be careful with my mic here as I continuously attack it with my hands. What did you learn about yourself? What did you learn about your values and your decision-making process? It's getting real deep here, right? Look for patterns and recurring themes that led to this choice and behavior. Are there common triggers? What was the reason behind it? The situation that led to similar mistakes even? Maybe there were similar mistakes that had the same trigger. For me, this is an important step, because if I don't learn from my mistake, what's that is stopping me from doing this mistake over and over again, right? sometimes it happens that before we are aware of it, we're doing the same things again. And that's why we have to change. We have to be aware of our process and have to change our pattern. Recognizing these patterns helps you to identify these things and with making choices for the next time when you come to in a similar situation, right? Identifying the root cause. It's really important to identify the root cause of things, every problem, every behavior. Also consider input from other people, from others' perspective, right? Other 4 eyes is better than 2 eyes. That's what I learned back when I started my team leader work. And yeah, you can ask your friends, you can ask family, you can ask guides like me or other mentors that help you with the input and maybe make things clearer for you. Hey, real quick, I have a special and free workshop where we talk about the mind mastery. It is the secrets of mind mastery. In this workshop, we talk about how you can achieve your goals by setting your mind the right way, how you can have a high frequency for you to reach your goals, be happier, whether it is your personal or your business life. Tune in this free workshop as we dive deeper in all this with a visualization session, with a meditation session, so you can free your mind and set your path the right way. This could be the sign that you've been waiting for. This could be the chance. Ask yourself, why not you? Why not you becoming the person you always wanted to be? Maybe this is the time. And the third thing is implement positive changes. Because when you don't do this, some people stop with step 2. Most people stop with step 2. They think, oh yeah, I've learned my lesson. But then they do the same thing again. You have to actively implement positive changes. Use the lessons you've learned and make concrete changes into your mindset. Not only your mindset, but your behavior, your decision-making process. Remember what we said before that earlier. And that's something else I've learned in my experience by leading a team. Set specific and achievable goals for improvement. This could be practicing mindfulness. Like when you watch my content, you see me meditating or even guiding meditations and whatever. This could also be developing new habits. We will also talk about this in a lot of future episodes. Or just developing a support system that helps you stay on track. But in order to really get the best outcome from this, you have to create a abundance mindset. A abundance mindset is that you know whenever you do a mistake that there is a lesson to be learned. We have to do mistakes. Don't beat yourself up with them. Sometimes it happens. It happened to me too. But just like I said, we are humans. We are not machines yet. Don't beat yourself up too much with it. Know that you can learn with every failure. Failure doesn't really exist. If you learn from mistakes, then all these things are not more like chance for improvement. Every mistake is a chance for improvement. And understand that the journey of self-discovery is ongoing. I'm not here to tell you that I know everything, because I will never do that. I will never be able to know everything. We are always constantly learning. This is a forever learning thing. Life is forever learning, and make the best out of it. Learn as best and efficient as you can so you can improve as much as you can. So I hope this helped you guys. Leave a like, thumbs up, or a comment. So this helps us to get more discovery in YouTube or wherever you watch or listen to this content. I really appreciate it. We want to get as much people on this content as possible so we can have the most and the biggest possible impact, right? Because that's the goal. We want to help as many as possible. If you have big goals, if you're an ambitious individual, I want to help you. And we have a free Mindset Mastery workshop right now that you can check out. The link is in the description if you watch this on YouTube. We are here to help you guys. If you need help with all of these things that we talked about today, this is an awesome opportunity to check out the free workshop, which will open you another door. I'm sure of that. So guys, I want to know, what was the thing that you stuck with the most? Leave it in the comments. What area of the 3 steps are you stuck and need help with? And what insights you gained from this episode? Let me know in the comments. And I thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. Spread the word. I appreciate all of your support. That's it from me, guys. See you soon. Peace out. Jesse out. Ciao.